When it comes to heating and cooling systems in the Charlotte area, people know to rely on the experienced professionals at Tyson Services Air Conditioning and Heating to take care of them. We are dedicated to offering efficient and reliable service, as our experienced technicians are trained and equipped for new installations, as well as maintenance and repair, offering a variety of services that includes repair, installation, and preventative maintenance. We provide free estimates on our work, so you know what you are paying for. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. And if you're not satisfied long after the job is complete, we will be there to service it. 704-218-6827. That's 704-218-6827. Or visit our website at www.tysonman.com. Call today. The Tyson Man is on his way.